Once upon a time, in a magical land called Ragnarok, there lived a kind and brave knight named Korg. Korg was not like the other knights. He had a magical shield that glowed with a soft light. Every day, Korg would venture out to protect the village from the monsters that roamed the forests. His shining shield would guide him, helping him find the monsters and save the villagers. One day, a giant monster appeared. It was bigger than anything Korg had ever seen before. The monster roared and stomped, causing fear in the hearts of the villagers. Korg knew he had to help. He picked up his shield and charged towards the monster. With a loud cry, he swung his sword, but the monster simply laughed. It swatted Korg away like a fly. Korg fell to the ground, but he didn't give up. He looked at his shining shield and remembered the lessons his father had taught him. A true hero never gives up, his father had said. Korg got up, dusted himself off, and charged at the monster again. This time, he aimed for the monster's weak spot. With a mighty swing, Korg struck the monster, and it let out a loud screech. The villagers cheered as the monster retreated. Korg stood tall, his shield glowing brighter than ever. He was hailed as a hero, but Korg knew that being a hero was not about fame or glory. It was about helping those in need and never giving up. From that day on, Korg continued to protect Ragnarok. He may have been small, but with his shining shield and unwavering spirit, he was the bravest knight in all of Ragnarok. And so, Korg the brave knight continued his adventures, always ready to help those in need and always shining bright. The end.